guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a try-on haul. I'm going to be sharing with you these beautiful dresses that just came in from Barnett. If you guys have some kind of special event, party, even a wedding to go to for that matter, I would highly suggest going to their site. The dresses are so beautiful and they're different. Like honestly, when I go to other sites or even stores for that matter, I just never find dresses like I find on these sites. The quality is great. The styles they're just different. They're unique, but they're really fashionable. You guys will see in this video, and I really like their dresses too because a lot of it is like that stretchy banded material. I feel like that was really popular back in like 2010, 2011, a lot of the banded dresses, and I love them, and I don't like really see them anymore, but a lot of the dresses on their site are like that banded material, which I love. Very stretchy. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling on. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see the dresses that I picked up, then just keep watching. So just to give you a heads up, I feel like I'm going to say that every dress is my favorite because that's how I feel. Like this dress right here, I'm obsessed with. It's just beautiful, you guys. I love it. So I'm gonna get close up so you can see all these beautiful kind of like rhinestones going all the way up the strap. I have a strapless bra on. I mean, you could probably maybe get away with wearing a black bra if the straps were like a little bit thinner than this, but I just have a strapless bra on just to be safe. And it's so comfortable. It's so stretchy, you guys, and the length is perfect. I'd say it's a little bit shorter than a midi, but it definitely, you know, goes well past my butt. It's probably, I want to say maybe 3 inches above my knees, as you guys can see. It's super comfortable. It's not restricting in this area, which is really important because especially, you know, if you're going out places, you're eating or whatever, you want something that's going to be stretchy, if you catch my drift. I just love this dress. I love the way it feels. I love the stretch of it. It's so elegant. Like this kind of reminds me of like going out in Vegas or something, but obviously you could wear this so many other places. You could wear it with some ankle strap heels or just regular pumps or even wedges for that matter. So this is the first dress that I picked out. So this is dress number 2. It is stunning, you guys, and it's so unique. I'm gonna get close up so you can see. I actually plan on wearing this to a wedding I have this summer, but it's this stretchy material all over. Look at these pearls. I mean, it's just so classy, so elegant. The only thing with this dress, because I am relatively on the short side, I'm 5'4", this dress, I'm definitely going to have to get shortened because it comes to like right about my calves. As you guys can see, it does split in the back. So I am going to get it shortened before the wedding I have to go to, but that's what it looks like. It's that stretchy banded material. It is so comfortable, you guys. Like I'm not joking when I say that. Super comfortable, super stretchy, not restricting, but I just think this is such a classy, elegant dress. I love the pearls. I think it's beautiful. This is dress number 3. It's just a really pretty baby blue. It might look a little bit brighter, but it's a nice baby blue, almost kind of like a Tiffany blue, baby blue color. And this dress reminds me of the banded dresses, the stretchy bandy dresses that used to be popular like 10, 12 years ago. I used to own a lot of them, and I just think they're so flattering. And this is the perfect length for me to be considered a midi. It goes pretty much right to the back of like my knees or the beginning of my knees, as you can see. And it's just a really flattering dress. Again, it's a heavier banded material than the last 2 dresses. Super stretchy though, super comfortable. I almost feel like I'm being sucked in, but it's not like it's restricting or anything, if that makes sense. It's just the banding is really good quality, but I'm obsessed with this dress, you guys. And this, I probably could get away with just wearing a regular bra, not a strapless, but I do have a strapless bra on. But I thought this color was like really cute for the spring and even the summer. Just want to get close up so you can kind of see the detail. Hopefully you can. But I just love these stretchy banded dresses. I wish they'd make a comeback. I know 10 years ago these were in. They have other colors and styles of these like banded dresses. I think the last 2 dresses are actually the banded style as well. But I love them. So this is dress number 3. So this is dress number 4. It's the perfect midi dress, but it's definitely unique. Now, I feel like I wouldn't even need to wear any kind of like Spanx or anything under this because it just like sucks everything in. Now this is kind of like that banded material, but it's almost like a latex. I know that kind of sounds weird. It feels like a latex material as well, but it's very thick, so it like sucks you in, but it's super comfortable, super stretchy. Trust me, I've worn things before that are not this comfortable. I just love how everything stretches. The quality is really nice. It's the perfect length. It comes to like right above my knees. And I'll get close up so you can kind of see the design. Now, I'm not wearing a black strapless bra, but I definitely would. I have a nude, so you can kind of see it like right there, but I would wear a black. But yeah, I wouldn't wear this to a wedding per se. I don't think it would be appropriate, but like going to like a party or going out somewhere, I think this is a really pretty kind of like going out dress. Last but certainly not least is this beautiful red dress. I really don't own much red, and I wanted to kind of stay away from always getting black. So I saw this and I was like, this is beautiful. So it's just the perfect red midi dress. It's that really nice stretchy banded material. I love the length on it. It goes like right to my knees, and it just feels so comfortable, but it also feels like it's sucking you in, if that makes sense. Very stretchy in the tummy. And that's kind of like what the detail looks like. Now it does have this like strap right here, or this little, not strap, but it can tie. So I have it tied in the front, but you could even tie it like on the side right there, or you could even have it tie in the back. It's totally personal preference, but I saw this and I just thought the color was stunning. Again, I'm trying to go out of my comfort zone, excuse me, and wear different colors other than black. So I just think this red is really stunning. I just think it's super comfortable. I love these dresses, would highly recommend them. Okay, guys, so that is it for this try-on dress haul. Let me know what you guys think. Have you tried out dresses from Bella Barnett before? Again, like, I'm super impressed with the quality of their dresses. I think their site and their dresses are perfect for any kind of like party, fancy event, even wedding for that matter. They have all different styles, would totally 100% recommend them. But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.